But as you say, right now, the focus is on Iran and what may happen if the talks in Oman fall through. I don't see any prospect for progress myself. I'd be stunned if there were. And at that point, the attention returns to Trump and whether he will authorize military force, as he threatened against Iran if it continued to kill the protesters, which it then proceeded to do. So Trump drew a red line. The Ayatollahs crossed it, and now we'll see if Trump retaliates as promised. I think the longer objective should be the overthrow of the regime of the Ayatollahs. They've been there over 45 years. They are the principal cause of instability in the Middle East. If they were replaced by a responsible government, then there might be room for optimism. But we don't know how Trump will decide. We don't know when he'll decide. I don't think we have long to wait. But even if he does use military force against Iran, that doesn't necessarily mean he has come up with a strategic plan. It could just be, as we call it, a one and done. And I think that would certainly serve notice to the Iranian regime, but not necessarily enough to have the regime destabilized to the point where it falls.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. You can answer that one very shortly. Basically, to wrap up everything, what should the Kurds understand what's coming in the next for their future? Because they talk for the autonomous administration in the Rojava region, as well as the new design, the new shapes, basically in the Middle East. So, what is the position of the Kurds?
I think it's important for Kurdish people to understand that this is a dangerous moment with a lot of pieces in play, and certainly with respect to the United States, the number of friends that the Kurds have is quite large, many in Congress, as I said, and I think it's important to be very active diplomatically and in terms of Kurdish Americans talking to their elected representatives, so that people know that that a lot is at stake here, and developments could move very swiftly if we're not prepared for them.